Hi guys, Brian here with Mountain Seasoning. Today we're going to show you how to make buckboard bacon, also known as like an old-fashioned style bacon. We're going to be using a pork shoulder roast that does have a bone in, so we will have to remove it before we add our cure. I've already gone ahead and made some cuts so that way this bone then comes out nice and clean, and it will leave a little bit of a cavity that when you add your curing salt, just make sure you put it on the inside of this as well. All right, so now that we have the bone removed, we're ready to go ahead and add our cure. So this is a 5-pound roast. So it takes 1 tablespoon plus 1 1/4 teaspoons of cure per pound. Don't forget the cavity left by the bone. Rub it on all sides. We'll put it in a plastic container. We'll let it sit in the refrigerator for 10 days. Day 5, you need to flip it over just for the juices and you'll be ready to smoke your bacon. All right, so now we have all of our cure rubbed into our roast. We're ready to put it in a plastic container, plastic bag. Put it in the refrigerator, we check it in 5 days for the moisture, flip it over, and then in 10 days, we'll go ahead and smoke it. We'll have old-fashioned style buckboard bacon. The roast has been in the refrigerator now for 10 days. We've taken it out, we've soaked it in fresh water for 2 hours to get the excess cure off the outside of it. Patted it dry. It's been sitting at room temperature for about an hour. It's now ready to go on the smoker. So the smoker's preheated. We're ready to put our meat on. We'll come back here in about an hour or so to check on it. We need to reach 140 degrees internal temperature for it to be done. We'll use an internal probe to previously just see where it's at temperature-wise. Now the hard part, we wait. So our pork shoulder's been on the smoker for a little over 3 hours. We've went ahead and checked the temperature. It's reached 140 degrees internal. It was ready to come off. We're gonna let it rest. We'll put it in the refrigerator overnight and then it'll be ready to slice. So after that, then you can go ahead and cook it up in your pan, whether it's for breakfast, sandwiches, anything like that. Then you have a nice homemade buckboard bacon, which is similar to like old-fashioned style bacon. One of the cool parts about the buckboard bacon cure here at High Mountain is you can also use it to make a ham. So stay tuned, we're gonna show you how. A ham. So if you have one at home you want to try, contact us. We can send you the instructions on how to do so. Here I've got a 12-pound ham. So the solution needed to do it is a 1/2 cup of cure to 2 cups of water that we'll inject, and then we'll add 1 cup of cure on the outside and let it sit for about 12 days since it is a little bit thicker. But that is one of the unique things about High Mountain products, that we can be a little versatile and do multiple things with the same product. All right, so we have our brine mixture ready to go. We're gonna use an injection needle. We'll go ahead and start injecting it. Make sure you stay close to the bone, around any sort of joint or anything you might have in your fresh ham. Get that nice and plump, and then we'll add on our dry cure and we'll let it sit. We've got our ham injected. We're ready to add the dry cure on the outside. After done with that, we're gonna put it in a plastic container and it'll be good to smoke here in about 12 days. So rub it in on all surfaces. A nice even coat. All right, so we've got the dry cure rubbed in. So the next step is gonna be to putting it in a plastic container, whether it's a large Ziploc bag, a brine type bucket, a 5-gallon bucket, any sort of plastic non-metallic container that can go in your refrigerator for the next 12 days. All right, so because our ham is so big, we're gonna go ahead and use a 5-gallon bucket to let it cure in. One tip to be sure when you are storing your ham, your bacon, anything like that, is to don't use metal. The cure in any of our kits, and most kits out there, will counteract or have a chemical reaction with metal, giving you a metallic taste in your product. So this is just ensures product quality and safety. All right, so we showed you how to make bacon with our buckboard bacon kit. We've also showed you how to prepare the ham by injecting it, letting it sit. It's been in the refrigerator for 12 days. We've rinsed it off, let it come to room temperature. It's ready to go on the smoker. All right, so we've got our smoker preheated. We've got it on our lowest setting. We're gonna go ahead and put the ham on for a couple of hours, and we'll come back and we'll turn it up, and we'll just keep an eye on it. We're ready to go. All right, so our ham's been on the smoker for a little over 8 hours. We checked it. The internal temperature is 156 degrees. Gone ahead and pulled it off. It is now ready to eat. You can let it cool down, slice it for sandwiches, serve it now, you know, for a big family meal, anything like that. So, and with the same kit, the Buckboard Bacon Cure, we did make bacon a little bit earlier out of a pork roast, little old-fashioned style bacon. The instructions for making ham do come separate from the kit. So please contact us at himtandjerky.com or give us a call at 1-800-829-2285. Thank you for watching. If you want to check out any of our other products, visit our website, follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more videos and how-to tips, and check out our YouTube page, High Mountain Official. Thanks for watching. We're ready to put our buckboard bacon on. All right, there's your blooper. It reached 140 degrees. We're gonna take it off. We did take it off. You jinxed me earlier. I'm giving you a blooper reel. All right, here we go. Degrees. So now it is ready to cook. It is, I mean, it's cooked, but it's not cooked. I gotta think how I'm gonna say this. It's ready to be sliced. We've gone ahead and started a ham. Okay, blooper, we'll start that over. The first one was so much better.